Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see about fix OBS Studio keeps crashing on Windows 11 or Windows 10 PC. Go to search menu, type Windows Defender Firewall. Go to allow left side, allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Go here and change setting. Click on it. Allow other app. Browse it. Go to local disk C. Here programs files. Go to here program files. Go here OBS Studio. Go here OBS Studio. Here bin 64-bit. Here OBS 64. Double click on it. Here came out. Here add. Now OBS Studio has been added. Private ticket and click OK. That's it guys. Pretty sure was processing guys. Thanks for watching my video.